Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate you how you can perform cross-site scripting attack, that is store XSS attack, with the help of this CodeSwigger website. So the lab is given like store XSS into HTML context with the nothing encoded. So go with the access the lab, and this is the solution is given. You have to enter this comment in your search box, that is script tag, then alert one, and ended with the script tag. And you have to enter the name, email, and website and click on the post comment. So what is the difference between the reflected XSS and the store XSS? So in case of a reflected XSS attack, you are entering your script tag and that will be reflected in your browser. But in case of a store XSS, once you are entering your script tag in your search box, and that will be stored with your browser. So whenever again you are trying to access that particular web page, then this query is already stored into your browser and it will not allow to open that particular web page to the other user. So now we will see how this attack will happen. So go to that website, and here are the lots of blocks are stored here. So I'm going with that no silly names please with that block and go with the view post option. So you can see this is the leave comment. I'm entering here my script tag. You can enter any name, email, and your website. And click on post comment button. So once you are hitting with that page, it will display thank you for your comment. So I'm going with the back to block. When you are clicking this, it will display that kind of pop-up and it will display one which we have entered in the script tag. And click on OK button. You are again with that block, and if you are trying to go with that link again with the block, this will not be reflected. You can see here it is a response that we are share here. We are going with that particular link because we have entered the google.com link on your browser. Now I'm trying to going with that lab again, and you can go with that same post by clicking view post option. So now this web page is now locked because of store XSS attack. So because of that query we have entered with the script tag, the page will not allow to other user to enter into that particular block. So this kind of attack will store our script tag, that is our XSS query, that is cross-site scripting query, into our web page. So that's why it is called as the store XSS attack. Whenever attacker will enter any bogus request into your web page, this will be stored by our web page, and whenever another user is trying to access that particular web page, this will hit enter that kind of pop-up message. So here we have solved this store XSS attack lab.